Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets during Big Billion Days sale. So people are asking me which tablet or iPad is best for them. Before buying any tablet, you must have a budget. According to budget, I can suggest you the best tablet. For example, if you have a budget of 30 to 40,000 rupees, in that case, I can definitely recommend you to buy iPad Air M3 or M4. During Big Billion Day sale, you will get this kind of pricing. But if you compare this pricing now, you will see that the price is on the higher side. So you have to wait for the right offers, and the right time will definitely come for you during Big Billion Day sale, when you will get great discounts on tablets and iPads. Another Android tablet you can buy under the budget 30 to 40,000, that is Oneplus Pad 2. Actually, currently there is an offer on Oneplus Pad 2. At this point of time, the right time or the right price of this tablet is around 34,000 rupees. But if you can wait till Big Billion Day sale, I think you will get Oneplus Pad 2 at around 30,000 for the 12 and 256 GB variant. Another tablet will be available under the price point of 30 to 40,000 rupees, and that is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Currently the price of this tablet is around 40 plus, maybe 42, 47, 48,000 rupees, but during Big Billion Day sale you will definitely get discount on this tablet, so you can expect the price point to come down under 35,000 rupees. And if you get Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus under 35,000 rupees, that will be a very good sale or very good offer to grab. Many people actually want to know the best tablet for multimedia consumption and OTT binge watching. In that case, it is not possible for me to suggest you the best tablet right now, but if you want to buy now, you can buy either Samsung tablets or iPads. But I think for those users who want to buy a tablet by spending 50 to 60,000 rupees, they should definitely wait for Big Billion Days sale to get more discounts. At least 5 to 6,000 rupees will be saved if you buy in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival. In this video, I have mentioned 3 tablets in the price point 30 to 40,000 rupees. If you are interested in this kind of video, I will make another video with another price point, maybe 40 to 50,000 or 50 to 60,000 price point. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are interested to watch that video or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.